Hello and welcome again to a GI Joe show. Yo, okay friend, today topic will a most important topic like a normal. So actually happen something bad, my friend, a few days before. So it same thing happened me when I'm a small time. So I'm think that I must be give you a this knowledge so that you can be all be a safety. So friend, who will a porn? Will he a danger? And will he only one or will he a many type of porn? What are the different type of porn? I'm show you with a picture in a today video and I may all explain. Also friend, because for I am always believe in a God, so I also tell you that in this one the God are not all think the same. Some God they are said that the porn will good. Some he will say that a bad. Some will say that he will like a makruh, like a not good, not bad. So like a normal. So it depend which God you are believe, but you must be believe that God. So okay, friend. Actually, for me, I'm have this experience when I'm a small time already. When I'm a children. So when I'm a children, because for my mother and father, I'm get to know this and it a many bad experience for me. But I'm not fully alligating mine father mother because he both don't know the that this can be happen. It will won't his fault fully, but because of them I'm learned this and I'm have this and it a many pain for me. So what happened when I am a small time, my father he will be done a service. So his office have the college. So the his college the uncle he will told him let me go out eat a food. So the uncle he will bring his family, my father he will bring us. We are all gone a hotel, a restaurant to make a eat a food. So friend, I'm already tell you the benefit be a veg person. That time we are want a veg person fully, but you see it have a many impact, but I will explain. So if you are not saw the that video, I make a link in the down. Please do a watch. So what happened? We are going a hotel and the restaurant they will have a waiter. So the waiter will be came and he will we are give the order for a buy a food to do a eat. So when we are buy a food to do a eat, also at that time I'm not think my father, but I think the uncle they will ordered. They will also tell the waiter get the porn. So when they are bring the porn, it a porn masala. So I'm never before ate him. So but my mother father he will give me the permission. So I'm ate the porn. The in our language we are called a jhinga. So I'm taste him and it a many nicest. I'm ate a many. I'm many happy and done a mouth fart also like that. So many happiest. Then night time became the problem. I'm get a many fever, high temperature, and then what happened in the morning on the full face, hand, leg, back, front, every body, on my every body, I have got the dana, the small like a. Also in inside the mouth, the throat, everybody, in my everybody, I have got the the dana. It many painful. So we are gone. I cannot even drink a water. It's so painly. So it was we are gone a doctor. Then the doctor, he will told my mother what will he eat it. So she will told a normal food. Then she will told that also he done the eat for the he will also the porn. So then when we are the doctor will tell me that I am got a special mars, like a bimari, it called a selfish allergy. So selfish allergy. So the selfish, who will a selfish person? So the selfish is a group. So all the porn, the different type of porn, he will come inside the selfish. So you have the jinga, the small one, like the porn. I'm put a photo somewhere here, show some selfish. So then you are got the, you are you remember the Bubba and Forrest Gump. They are both make the porn company. Are you watch a movie, that one? So they are make a porn company, and the Bubba is a very good, he can be catch a porn. So that one called the shrimp. So that, then there are the many type of porn. So, and this one are the selfish person. All these are the selfish. So the selfish one, he said, I am got the allergy for the selfish. So, and he told my mother that if I am bring even few hour after, maybe I could have been died and I would be dead. This most serious friend. So that's why I'm tell you. So number one, if your God book will told that a porn is a not good, is good. So don't be eat. Then I am also told you, even your God book will tell it will a okay or a not okay. I am tell you already, be a veg person. This problem never will become you, because the porn will a non-veg. So if you are not eat a porn, if you are not eat a non-veg, you can never be eat a porn. So it will never come this problem yours. So you are most safest like that. So that my one for today, friend. So it many danger, it can be kill you. The porn will a most danger. He can be even kill you, and if he kill you, you will be death. Okay friend, that my video for now. Be a safety, wear a, today I'm forget my mask. So, but wear a mask, and in a lockdown, don't go outside, don't make a cough other person faces like this. Don't. If you try like that, they will beat you. Okay, so that my message today, friend. Don't do the porn. So that from me for now. Okay friend, yo.